Hello everyone, welcome back to another session by K21 Academy. Today our expert trainer will be talking about AWS Storage Gateway. So let's get into the video.
Another topic of storage, as I have told you, the storage gateway. So you see, we have a comparison of all these three available to you. So the S3, EBS and EFS, I have explained everything. So storage gateway is what? Storage gateway is actually a tool provided by Amazon so that you can connect your on-premise storage location to the cloud storage. This is what your gateway is, the storage gateway. It helps you to create a secure connection between your on-premise data center to your cloud data center. So whatever storages you have over here in your on-premise can be synced and connected to the storages which are available in the cloud. So if you have an application server which is having some hard disk or SSD drives attached, or you have a user workstation, the shared location for that user workstation has to be there. So there will be a central server on which all the users are creating their profiles and keeping their data. So if the workstation goes down or gets crashed, the user data should be available from this shared location. So if you have a directly attached volume or a file storage or a backup server, anything there in on-premise can be connected to the storage services which are available in the cloud with the help of storage gateway. How can we deploy it? It's very simple. We just have to place an order with Amazon. Amazon gives you two options, whether it can be into a hardware appliance. So there will be a box which will be shipped. That box will be installed in your data center, which will create a secure connection between the on-premise and the cloud data center. And then based on your requirement, you can create a storage gateway and can sync your these storages to the cloud storages. So if you want to sync your application server's SSD drive, so there is an option called volume gateway which can be created. If it is a user workstation's shared location, then you can have a file gateway which can sync to your EFS and other services which are available in the cloud. If you have a backup server which has to be archived, you can create a tape gateway. So you have got three kinds of gateways that can be created. Volume gateway. I'm not writing gateway, just understand it. No? Volume gateway. I have got file gateway. And the third type of gateway that I have is my tape gateway. So if it is the transactional data to be synced up to the cloud EBS and buckets, I have volume gateway. If it is shared location in on-premise to be synced with the shared location in AWS, create a file gateway. It is backup, tape libraries, archival data, which is to be synced in the cloud, use the tape gateway. So these are the three storage gateways which actually helps you to simplify the storage management and reduce the cost. Because why we say reduce the cost? From here on premise, from the day one itself, you need to provision for the storage which you will be using after 5 years. But in the cloud, the bucket that you create, I have told you that you don't have to give any size. You keep the data, the bucket will expand. You keep more data, the bucket will expand more. You keep more data, the size of the bucket will grow more. And then you need to pay for only what you are storing. You don't have to do any capacity reservation in advance. In on-premise data center, if you need 4 GB today, you will buy 1 TB today. Why? You will say probably in future my data may increase. You are needing only 4 GB today, but you are investing for 1 TB from the day one itself. But in cloud, this doesn't happen. So it helps you to reduce your cost. And then it also helps you to improve the availability of your data, because it is the cloud storages that are being used are actually highly available storages, managed services by cloud. So you don't have to worry about the backup. So the availability of your data also increases when you are using a storage gateway and are syncing your on-premise data to the cloud storage option. So it's a very beautiful feature and it makes the task very easy. You can say the continuous backup can be the primary copy can be kept over here, the backup can be moved to the cloud. You don't have to keep the backups over here in this on-premise environment, and you don't have to patch them, maintain them, do the maintenance, keep the storage spaces. You don't have to worry about anything. Everything will be taken care by Amazon. So this is the fourth category which comes under the tab of storage, which is my storage gateway. If I show you on the portal the services on the storage, you see this S3, EFS, FSX, Glacier, Storage Gateway. We have seen all of these. And this is nothing but a service which can integrate with any of the services which are available in AWS so that the backup can be stored in these locations. This is actually automation of backup. The backup of the EC2 instance, the backup of the other services that are the database services that we are using. So we can integrate the backup service with any of the services over the cloud and create the backup in in the storage locations which are available. So we have completed this particular section also, the storage. Our last class we have seen the compute and today we have seen the storage. I hope it is clear before we move on to the next step.
So, guys, this was our expert from Team K21 Academy. And if in case you missed upon any concept or if you want to dive deeper into the concepts, then we have something really special for you. We have our free class on Amazon AWS Solution Architect Certification for Beginners. Under this free class, you'll be learning about why and who should learn AWS, cloud services, deployment models, and AWS services as well. And the most important part is you'll be getting hands-on labs, job opportunities, along with Docker and Kubernetes in AWS, and amazing, amazing stuff. So if you want to register for this free class, all you have to do is just log on to your browser and type k21academy.com / AWS SA02. And after that, you'll be seeing this kind of interface. You just have to click on book your free seat now, select your event date, add your name, your email address, your phone number, and click on yes, save my seat. And after that, you'll be seeing this kind of page. You just have to save this link on the extreme right, add it to your calendars, and I'll see you in the free class. Till then, keep learning.